Technology is probably the coolest thing in the 21st century, only second to having money in your bank account. But what if I told you that tech can be both cool and cheap at the same time? Are you someone who loves discovering cool new tech, but you don't want to break the bank? Do you think that finding gadgets that are both cool and cheap is a losing game? Think again. Well, you're in the right place. We've scoured the market to find 12 of the coolest gadgets that you can get for under $50. Keep watching to find out what they are. If you're on the lookout for tech gadgets that are affordable yet offer great functionality and fun, well, my friend, you're in absolute luck today. Here's a rundown of 12 cool gadgets that you can grab for just under $50. Number 12. LED Neck Reading Light. At just $19, this LED neck light is the perfect solution for nighttime reading and working. From now on, when you're reading, you can keep your hands and eyes on the book and nowhere else. With this reading light, you'll never have to fumble again in low light. Books are expensive though, so go get this thrifty LED neck reading light to your next reading session more convenient and enjoyable. Number 11. Quokka 80 Headlamp. At just $24, the Quokka 80 headlamp offers hands-free lighting with not one, but 4 modes and brightness levels. This headlamp is the perfect buddy for grilling, camping, or any other task requiring both hands. This headlamp can be a valuable addition to your emergency kit or toolbox on your next camping trip. Worried about charging? Well, the Quokka 70 headlight is easily rechargeable via USB plug. Simply pop out the USB from the band and plug in. Number 10. Tri-Bit FlyBuds. These waterproof and bass-forward true wireless earphones are an excellent alternative to the expensive models of earphones you've been eyeing for ages now. The Tri-Bit FlyBuds are priced at only $39.99. With 95 hours of battery life in the case, the Tri-Bit FlyBuds 3 is the coolest tech in town for those who need reliable and long-lasting earbuds without breaking the bank. Thank us later, because we just found the ideal companion for your long commutes to work or school, and the gym rats too. The secure fit and comfortable design of the FlyBuds makes sure that they stay in place even when you exercise. Wait, these are earbuds that won't fall off when you're working out in the gym? Yes, you aren't dreaming. Number 9. Keith Haring Touchscreen Mist Cleaners. If you're tired of smudgy screens and want a stylish solution, the Keith Haring Touchscreen Mist Cleaners are a must-have. Keep all your gadget screens spotless with these touchscreen cleaners that feature iconic Keith Haring designs. Each spray container is wrapped in microfiber cloth. This is probably the coolest cleaning solution for your smartphones, tablets, and other touch devices out there. And the best part? It's only $36. Number 8. Pac-Man Arcade Game. The 80s are back. You can now celebrate 40 years of Pac-Man with this mini arcade game at only $50. This cool gadget brings the classic Pac-Man to life in a compact, portable, and coolest way possible. It's almost like going back in time. If you're a gaming enthusiast, what are you waiting for? Number 7. Auto Face Tracking Phone Holder. Are you a TikTok or Instagram video creator? Do you video call your family back home frequently? This AutoFac tracking phone holder is the coolest thing we've seen till date. At just $39, this auto-face tracking phone holder will track your movements automatically and allow you to stay in the frame without having to hold or adjust your device. Super cool, right? It's a fantastic tool for anyone who enjoys filming videos hands-free. This means you can focus on your content or conversation without worrying about staying in the shot. Number 6. Sunset Lamp. Why wait for golden hour when you can bring it in at this moment in your bedroom? This unique sunset lamp that casts a warm glow in your space. Now, you take sun-kissed pictures for your Instagram at just $28 without even having to leave your bedroom. The lamp can be rotated 180 degrees. Just adjust the angle of the light for the perfect shot at any time of day. Number 5. Bob Ross Toaster. If you like Bob Ross, then this quirky toaster is just for you. This toaster imprints the Boss Ross's face onto your toast. What's better than having toast for breakfast in the morning? It's having toast that you made using your $40 Boss toaster. While this toaster is more of a novelty item, it is sure to make your breakfast more fun. And it's not like you're having fun at breakfast anyway, so why not? Number 4. Wakeiko Mini Presso. The Wakeiko Mini Presso is a hand-powered espresso maker that lets you enjoy a rich, hot espresso anywhere. Unlike conventional espresso machines, this mini presso does not need electricity. Compact and portable, this cool tech is the next perfect thing in town for coffee lovers seeking their routine caffeine fix while camping or traveling. The Mini Presso's design is both functional and user-friendly. It uses a simple pump mechanism to extract a delicious espresso shot from your coffee grounds. At just $46, the Wakeiko Mini Presso is here to make sure you never have to miss having coffee anymore. Number 2. PlayStation Music Reactive Light. Gamers, listen up. If you're a gamer looking to add something new to your gaming setup, you should consider this PlayStation Music Reactive Light. Well, are you even a gamer if you aren't adding fancy gadgets to your setup every other day? This PlayStation-themed light reacts to music and adds a visual element to your gaming setup. The light features customizable settings and you can adjust its sensitivity and color patterns. At only $31, this Music Reactive Light can be the coolest new addition to your gaming space. Are you ready to make your gaming sessions even more fun and immersive? Number 2. AddTop Solar Power Bank. The AddTop Portable Solar Power Bank is a solar-powered charger that is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. With a capacity of 25,000 mAh, this solar power bank can charge multiple devices. The power bank is equipped with solar panels that charge the internal battery using sunlight. It also includes multiple USB ports so you can charge several devices simultaneously. Its rugged design makes it durable for the wear and tear of the outdoors. With the AddTop Solar Power Bank, you can now stay connected no matter where your adventure is. At only $40, this is the perfect solution for keeping your gadgets powered up when you're off the grid. Number 1. Victrola Bluetooth Suitcase Turntable. Vintage style meets modern technology. Meet the Victrola Bluetooth Suitcase. If this is not the coolest thing we've seen yet, we don't know what is. This $43 Bluetooth suitcase turntable plays vinyl records and can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth. The Victrola turntable has built-in stereo speakers. This eliminates the need for external speakers while still delivering high-quality sound. Its suitcase design not only looks stylish, but also makes it portable and easy to store. It's got the sleekest looking design we've come across. I'd buy this thing only to look at it. Do you still think that finding gadgets that are both cool and cheap is a losing game? Well, you asked and we delivered. Our curated list of 12 gadgets that you can get for under $50 is proof that you don't have to break your bank to get your hands on the latest tech in town. From the Tribit FlyBuds' impressive battery life and to the funky Bob Ross poster, each of the 12 items offers unbelievable perks for their cheap price. Would you ever buy the Bob Ross toaster or the Golden Hour sunset lamp? Which gadget in this video do you think is the most impressive of all? That is all the cheap tech we're willing to let you guys in for today. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please like and subscribe for more such informative videos on the latest, coolest, and cheapest gadgets in town. Share this video with a friend and ask them to buy your favorite gadget out of the 12 we just listed. Until we see you with another interesting video, stay tuned.